In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bulk clone Jira issues. Jira does not include a true bulk clone option out of the box, so a reliable way to duplicate many issues at once is to export them to a CSV file, then import that CSV back into the same project. This creates new issues that match the originals. Start by opening Jira and going to your team project in the list view. Make sure you are looking at the exact set of issues you want to clone, because the export will follow whatever is currently shown in your list. Next, click Export. In the Export options, choose Excel CSV, all fields. This is important because it brings over the full set of available data, which makes the import mapping much easier later. Save the file to a location you can find quickly. Back in Jira, select the option that is highlighted on the screen, then open More Actions. From that menu, choose Import Work Items from CSV. This is the built-in importer that will read your exported file and create new work items. On the Import Setup page, click the highlighted area to upload your CSV file, then select Next. Jira will now ask you where these new issues should be created. On the Settings page, click the highlighted area, choose your team project from the list, and then click Next again. You will now be on the field mapping screen. This is where you connect columns from the CSV to Jira fields. Click the highlighted area, then select Team, and follow the highlighted prompts to map the team field where needed. Take your time here. If a required field is not mapped, the import can fail or create incomplete issues. Continue clicking the highlighted areas as shown to confirm each mapping selection. When you reach the Summary field, click Summary so Jira knows which CSV column should populate the issue title. Once your mappings look correct, click Next. On the final page, review any value mapping Jira presents, and when you are ready, click Begin Import. Jira will process the file and create the cloned issues in bulk. And that is all there is to it.